Hello, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unfollow someone on TikTok. It's actually quite simple and easy to do, so make sure you stick till the end. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, open up the TikTok app. Now from your home screen, head over to your profile section on the bottom right. Now from your profile section, tap on following list. Now in here, pick the account that you want to unfollow and tap on following button. And that account will be unfollowed by you. Now other thing that you can do is, from your home page, choose the account that you want to unfollow and go to their profile and tap on this person icon, and that account will be unfollowed by you. And that's how easily and quickly you can unfollow someone on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.